Ayun guys, it's already 3:16 in the afternoon and I've been awake since midnight, around midnight or 11. Kasi I had to get ready kanina for the photo shoot. Galing kami ng Tagaytay para tapusin yung mga layouts na photo shoot for the album. Hinahabol namin kasi ongoing na yung promotions ngayon and we still have 4 layouts na kailangan for promotions online. Hindi namin matapos because we have 10 layouts. We've done like 6 layouts already, but we couldn't do the outdoors because of the weather. It's monsoon month, and matagal na namin plan talaga matapos to. And since last month pa ata, I think. So ayun, hindi namin matapos because of the weather. We really had planned before a different location. We've decided to do photo shoot in Tagaytay kanina. So, kaya maaga kami gumising. And then, tatlo lang yung na-shoot namin. Ngayon, nasa studio because I had one more photo shoot layout pa. So, why we have 10 layouts? Because sa album ko, I have 10 songs. So, and we planned like to do tarot cards. Tapos different photos and concept yung plan namin to do for that. Kaya 10 photos ang kailangan namin for that. And since we have 10 layouts, we plan to do 2 parts. We have 5 and then 4 kanina, but there's one na separate kasi for the MV yun, yung main track ko, which is the Ace. So doon na kami sa MV shoot kumuha ng mga photos. Because of the outfits, yung mga makeup doon na. Before we did the music video, nag-shoot muna kami ng 5 layouts dito sa studio. You know, with different setups, with different outfits, makeup look. And kasama doon yung The Moon, yung naka-gold ako. Yun yung una niyong nakita sa teaser. Kaganon ako. That one is for the Leave Me song. Ginamit na namin siya as the album cover art. Kaya yun yung una niyo nakita sa teaser. Kasi kung hindi namin gagawin yun, another layout and photoshoot na naman, and we don't really have time for that, kinuha na namin yung Leave Me as an album cover art kasi masyado nang madami yung 11 and we don't really have time for that. And speaking of time, yun na nga yung nangyari sa amin ngayon. We're running out of time. We only have 2 days left para mag-post ng mga concept photos for promotion. Kasi i-release na namin yung tracklist in 2 days. Doon namin i-release yung 10 photos na pinaghirapan namin lahat. Very, very hands-on time for this album because this is more of touch of Zayla. With the help of AQ team, pinaghirapan namin to ng bonggang-bongga. Dugot pawis! Okay, everyone knows that I'm very hands-on. I really like to put some inputs and everything with my songs and stuff like that. But here, on this album, mas hands-on ako. More on touch of Zayla ang naging nangyari dito. Because this is very personal. The title itself is Lockhart. That's my last name. So, kailangan ko talaga siyang tutukan and inupuan ko talaga to. It's a very, very challenging thing to for me because ang daming songs. I had to record every songs in like 4 days combined. I was like recording the song, 2 songs a day. Dapat 1 week talaga yun, pero kinaya naman ng 4 days. 3 days na lang ng ata yung combined. Pero, ayun, kinaya naman. So after 101, I tried to write more songs. And then, trinay ko lang mag-write ng songs and I tried to submit it sa management kila Attorney Honey and Attorney Aldwin. And they liked it. I wrote 6 songs already and we've decided to make an album. Kaya we get a composer to add more songs to my album and help me out, which is si Kuya EC. He gave me 4 songs. Siya yung nagsulat nung Tagalog. Yung mga Tagalog ko na title, siya ang nagsulat nun. So, parang may Tagalog din sa album ko. Which is very hard for me at first kasi I couldn't really understand. I had to ask him pa kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng song because I need to put some emotions to to the songs. And kung hindi ko siya malagyan ng emotions, kung hindi ko siya maintindihan. May mga malalalim na parts, especially yung hanap ka ng iba mo yun. Ang dami kong questions din. So, meron akong mga iniba na lyrics din. Some parts, hindi naman yung buo. Konti lang, so hindi nyo siya mapapansin. And yung key din, nahirapan ako because Kuya Easy is a guy. So, ang baba ng voice niya. So, I had to like, higher pitch lang ng, higher key lang ng mga 1 or 2 para maabot ko siya. Kasi pag hindi ako alto, soprano ako. So, I started recording in June. I tried to do my songs muna because I'm more familiar with my own songs than yung kay Kuya AC. So, tinulungan ako din ni Kuya Caleb and ni Ate Hazel for vocals and, you know, kung may kailangan baguhin or kailangan pang i-push kasi medyo may mga matataas. So, si Coach Carl din, tinulungan ako. And then yung kay Kuya AC, more on nahirapan ako sa pronunciation ng Tagalog. So, medyo dun kami tumagal. And, of course, with the help of Coach Carl din at si Sir Jet, yung engineer ko, yung time na yun sa studio, siya din yung nag-mix and master nung songs ko. Pero si Kuya Easy yung nag-mix nung kanya. And then yung mastering lahat, si Sir Jet ang nag-master nung for the whole album. Para yung mastering niya. And then, pinaka nahirapan ako na song is na i-record. I'd say Leave Me. Kasi madaming Tagalog yun and umiyak ako the whole. Pinilit ko kantahin siya nang hindi umiiyak. Though the whole song umiiyak talaga ako. Pero sabi ni Coach, compose yourself, compose yourself. With emotions pa din, but compose yourself. Pwede kang umiyak, but you have to focus and compose your voice para makakanta ka habang umiiyak. Sabi kasi nila umiyak, so umiyak talaga ako. Parang feeling ko every time na ipa-perform ko siya sa stage or anywhere, maiiyak ako. Sana hindi naman. Feeling ko pag nakulit-ulit, hindi na ako maiiyak. Tapos na ng studio. Meron pang one time na paupo ako sa floor. Nung umiiyak ako, akala nila hindi na ako makakanta talaga. Pero nangaral lang ako talaga. And since we've talked about the sad song of mine, meron din akong masasaya. And one of the happy songs that I have, an empowering song, is the one that I wrote for Zailers, my fans. Kasi it started when I was doing TikTok Live. I asked the audience sa TikTok if they can give me a title. Gagawan ko ng song on the spot. And then I made one verse and then it started there. And a fan gave me that title. It's called ZL. And I was like, why ZL? They said like Zayla or Zailers. But then one person said then Zone Leader. So it started there. That's why it's called ZL. And yung song na yun, may fan chance doon. Kasi hiniling nung admin ko, si Ashley, na gusto niya sana yung songs na merong mga chance para pag nagpe-perform, nakakasigaw-sigaw sila with kanta, singing, dance sila.
Okay na.
We're done. And kahit tapos na ang recording, hindi pa din tapos ang challenges, guys. Kasi after matapos lahat ng 10 songs, we had to shoot a music video still for my main track, Ace. Activate confidence to empower ang ibig sabihin ng Ace. Why Ace? Kasi we've decided to do cards. And since medyo common na yung cards yung with King, Queen, Ace of Spades, we've decided to do tarot cards para maiba naman. So, yun yung ginawa kong main track kasi that's, mas bagay siya sa cards na concept. And then we started there. And then, second is yung arangkada. Kasi, meron naman word doon na baraha din and alas. Doon sa ace ko kasi may part doon na ace, ace, ace. At saka yung ilabas ang alas, something. That's why connected siya. Most of the song is connected ng ganun pababa. Kaya ang naisip namin for the music video is yung tarot cards. Kasi meron dun Ace of Wands, Ace of etc. I can't remember. Pero dun nandun lahat nung yung apat na Ace is nandun sa music video. For 3 lang basta sa tarot card. But before we shoot the music video, I had to hire a dance choreographer which is si Coach Patsy. Kasi kailangan ko ng dance dun sa Ace. Kasi danceable yung song ko na yun. And that is the main shot. So kailangan ng dance dun. So after yung first week is ako lang yun. Mga 2 to 3 sessions with me alone. And then after a week, 2 sessions with the dancers with me. Tapos may one silang session na wala ako. And thank you so much kay Coach Patsy kasi ang ganda-ganda ng choreo. And sabi niya sa akin, first time niya gumawa ng ganong genre, yung ganong beats, because she's more into hip-hop dances, choreography, genre na dance. So very thankful na and grateful na ako din yung una niyang naturuan ng girl hip-hop na dance choreo. And of course, yung dancers ko sila Lex, si Shai, si Erica, si Mona. Thank you girls for the last minute pumayag kayo na maging backup dancers ko. And ang bilis-bilis yung pumake-up. So thank you so much sa inyo guys. I hope to see you guys soon. And for the music video, we got Prod Asia to do the production and the whole music video with me. Shoot namin yun. We had 4 layouts for the music video, 4 outfits, and yung pinaka-main dun is yung parang maroon na nag-gagano-gano ako, which is mas pasok sa concept ng tarot card. So, we started the music video shoot at 8 a.m. I think. Dumating kami dun 7 a.m. kahit 7:30 yung call time. Ganun kami ka-aga guys. Ganun kami kasipag. Tapos, minake-upan na ako ng around 8 a.m. And then after that, my hair, bihes, tapos nag-shoot na kami. Picture muna for the photo nga ng face. And then, natapos kami around 10 p.m. I think. Nag-extend kami kasi dapat hanggang 7 to 9 p.m. lang yung pag-rent dun sa studio. Pero, ang dami pang kailangan i-shoot nung time na yun. Sobrang tight nung schedule because we couldn't even do TikToks much or photos much. Binigyan na kami ng 10 to 15 minutes for the photo shoot or yung photos in between bago magpalit ng outfits and makeup and hair. So, sobrang madali ang everything. Tumakbo-takbo pa ako sa stairs para lang makahabol sa oras kasi may mga time limit, every concept and every yung makeup, yung kasi kailangan palitan lahat. And Prod Asia, working with them was very fun, but they are very professional, very strict. Kasi sinusunod nila yung time, yung nasa call sheet. They really try to yun, lahat sundin. And from the storyline of the music video, which is yung tarot cards na, we've decided to do the tarot cards concept for the whole album. That's why we came up with 10 layouts. 10 cards, 10 songs, 10 layouts for the whole album. And ngayon, tapos na namin yung last layout for the photo shoot ng tarot card. Kung ano pa yung last na yung una dapat na i-release. Kasi, ang last namin na sinut is for Arrancada. Yun, kung ano pa yung kailangan namin, kailangan, yun yung last namin sinut today. As in ngayon ha, ito na yung setup namin kanina. Itong last layout kasi na to, dapat is outdoor din. Kasama siya dun sa 3 layouts pa namin for the album. Kaya lang, bumabaha na kasi sa labas. And we were shooting while raining kanina. Pero, kinaya naman. Malamig din kanina sa, sa Tagaytay. So, ayun. Nasugatan pa ako. Makita ko ba yung manig? Nasugatan ako, guys. Dugo-dugo to kanina. Wait lang, baka duminong pa ako. Kasi wala akong barefoot ako kanina. But anyways, nag-shoot kami sa nature. So, kailangan wala akong shoes. umuulan, there's mud everywhere, and blood everywhere. After ko masugatan. And ginagawa nila yung pa ako kanina. Kaya lang, iyakin ako pag may sugat. Alam mo yun, I'm very strong, independent woman, but when it comes to cuts or sugat, iyakin talaga ako. Because I don't like alcohol. And yung pain tolerance, hindi siya ganun kataas. So kahit konting ganun mo lang sa akin, sobrang sensitive ng skin ko. So, iiyak na dapat ako na. Pero nahiya ako. Kasi pinagtatawanan na ako ng mga staff namin. Kaya hindi ko na lang tinuloy. Pero hindi ko maiwasan sumigaw kanina. Masakit kasi talaga guys. Ganito kahaba yung sugat. Dugon-dugo siya. White pa naman yung cracks ko kanina. So, kitang-kita yung dugo. Pero that's another experience. Sabi ko, hindi siya masakit, mind over matter. Umiyak nga ako nung nasa room na. Pero nung outside, nag-photoshoot, talagang professional tayo. Post-post pa din, akala mo hindi masakit. Ganun lang lang. I'll be honest guys, it was very challenging. Yung whole process nitong album. Ang daming struggles along the way. So, good thing I had friends. I have friends to help me. Si J-Mac and RC were there the whole time to help me with outfits, yung layouts, nilagay ng hair ko, ng damit ko, and DIY lang yung iba kong damit. So, sila din yung gumawa nun. And I'm very thankful because I couldn't have done everything without them. Especially yung AQ team. Konti lang kami, manpower namin. So, very thankful talaga. I'm grateful for everyone. Nabibilang lang sa kamay yung tumulong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lang kami. And walang artist dito kasi kahit ako, nagbuhat ako ng gamit ko. I've done my own makeup. Tapos, yun, madami din akong ginawa as a hands-on artist din naman. I love working and yung hard work that we put into this album is very, very, very hard. Makikita niyo lahat ng hard work namin dito. So, sana ma-appreciate niyo yung mga dugo, literal na dugo kanina, and pawis namin. Yung mga sleepless nights, inabot kami ng madaling araw, gumigising ng madaling araw, nagsushoot ng madaling araw, hindi na natutulog, tulog yung iba ngayon kasi wala na silang tulog. Ako mamaya matutulog din ako. And for sure, by now, it's already released, my album. I hope you guys will support and listen to my songs, the whole album na pinaghirapan namin lahat. Sana supportahan niyo po yan. I love you so much. So, then mag-thank you to the attorney, Honey and Attorney Alvin sa management for all the love and support na binigay nila dito dahil hindi din biro ang support na ginawa nila. Very thankful talaga kala Attorney Honey and Attorney Alvin because lahat ng request for this album binigay nila agad, no question asked because ako na yung dumirect personally kala Attorney because ganun ako kahansan. Thank you so much for Attorney Honey and Attorney Alvin for this opportunity. Hindi ko po ito magagawa kundi dahil sa inyo. So thank you so much. Very grateful for you both. Thank you so much. Speaking of support, thank you so much, Zailers, for all the love and support that you've been giving me since day one. Hindi ko ito magagawa without you guys. And ito na yun guys, ilalabas ko na yung album on August 1st, which is Matsuri ng Zailers. So gift ko na to with, for you guys and for myself of course. For us, dahil ilang months na tayo sa industry and nang magkakasama. And hindi ko to magagawa without you guys and I'm not gonna be this Zayla ngayon kung hindi